Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and we're now taking a look at both the euro and the British pound, the GBP, versus the US dollar, both exhibiting a more negative tone versus the dollar, partly due to the fact that the dollar continues to grind out strength against most, not all, most G10 currencies, and most of the major currencies in here. The dollar continuing to firm in here, partly to do with anticipation of the tax cuts that we're looking to come through, and also partly based on the fact that the US economic data continues to strengthen, and where the data is not so strong, maybe on that CPI data, the market kind of ignoring that for now. So the dollar continuing to strengthen, some concerned about European bond yields falling significantly, keeping the downward pressures here we see on the euro. So the euro lower versus the dollar, both euro weakness and dollar strength in here, with that yield differential certainly not benefiting euro dollar in here, as European bond market yields have plunged of late in here through late October, early November. Downside pressures. Technically, we've got this bigger head and shoulders top pattern we've been reviewing. The market broken down previously down through this neckline here and through 116.61, and now more recently this week back through the late October low here at 115.72, reinforcing sustaining downside pressures. Similar but not as negative story for the pound in here, more of an erratic consolidation for the pound from really here from early October through into early November. But the real the big story was this big sell-off that we saw back at the beginning of November after the Bank of England actually hiked rates. It was very much a flagged hike and a more dovish hike, with them almost saying one and done. So this sell-off that we saw in here through various support factors really leaving the threat back to the downside for cable. Yes, we're in a range between 129.03 is our defined range up to 136.58, but the real threat is for a push lower and maybe to challenge 129.03 going into mid-November, and should we get a breakthrough there, it would see a more bearish shift. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.